My name's Staff Sergeant Hogley. I'm with 215 as a CI. It's 4 days worth of missions, 2 24-hour missions per every platoon. We're working on TOC operations and Alpha security operations. What all that consists of is during their 24-hour mission, they will be working on their route reconnaissance skills. They will be working on their area reconnaissance skills, along with observation, reporting, and engaging the enemy directly. So being with these privates for the past couple weeks, the biggest thing I've noticed is the mind change of them actually understanding the aspects of their role as a Cavalry Scout within the organization, how as a Cavalry Scout it affects the big part of the mission, and that we are the biggest aspect to reporting and having the commanders higher up be able to organize and place the correct pieces of the puzzle for us to accomplish every battle and every fight that we're in. Along with that, I've seen the privates increase their abilities to understand and execute all battle drills, along with cavalry skills revolving the Bradley, Striker, and route reconnaissance skills. Your mission. Alright.
Okay, so you guys just sat in place, you didn't try like bounding forward or flanking?
No, because as soon as we started firing.
We are currently right now at in the field doing the EOC. Today's the second day, and we have 72 hours till graduation. I'm so excited. We've come a long way. We've learned a lot, and being here today at in the field doing EOC, performing all the things that we've learned before with our drill sergeants and the CI. Right now, confidently, without any inputs from them at all, it really shows a lot. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to go out there and show forth all that I've learned so far, and to better serve at the best of my abilities. It's been tough. It's been difficult, but if I can do it, so can anybody.
So my excitement have been at an all-time high right now, as well because of the FTX. This is last final FTX, and we've been training hard. We've been preparing to go to our unit as well, and I feel like I'm very prepared for to go to my unit because I've been paying attention to all my CIs and drill sergeants' instructions. So I feel like I would do great at my unit.
I'm excited to almost be done. We're getting ready now for our 12-mile rug, and then after that, we just get recovery week and then graduation. And I'm getting excited to go back home to my guard unit and seeing where that takes me. Getting ready to start missions over there. And apparently we're supposed to go to NTC in June, so I'm getting ready for that too. Very excited to go to Fort Irwin in California. And I'm just looking forward to the future.
We're about 72 hours away from our ceremony, which is going to be just amazing. We've heard from other troops how cool it is and everything. We've all been working super hard to get to the ceremony to see for ourselves how it's going to be. And I'm so excited, I don't even know what to say about it really. I mean, we've all worked extremely hard for the past 5 months to get to this point, and then left for HBL and came back, which threw a little bit of a curveball into all of our training. It made it a little bit harder really mentally. But we're all back in our game doing this final FTX. I think we're all in agreement that it doesn't matter what this FTX throws at us, we're getting through it. We're getting to our units, and we're going to start hardcore on what we need to do for our futures. It's definitely a milestone for sure, and can't wait for it.
It's okay. It's alright, it's okay. Talk a little war. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody shoot again. Come on over. Come on over. The war's not over. The war's not over. Right now.
Out! Attend! Drill Sergeant, have your platoons met the requirements to be 19 Delta. First on, first platoon met the requirements to be 19 Delta. Your shadow. First on, second platoon met the requirements. Your shadow. First on, first platoon met the requirements. Your shadow. Fourth Sergeant, fourth platoon has met the requirements. Your shadow. Goodbye, assassin troop! Good morning, sir! I'm proud of you guys, okay? 2 weeks in the army, 2 wonderful days, 2 great days. We have everything we have to be here. Be a goddamn cop. It's time for you to enjoy yourself. Back to their gear. Take charge.
Attention! Your mission is to subscribe and beat feet to the next video. Why haven't you done it yet?